Good morning, my dear students of class 12th. Myself, Mohit Misra. Today, we will discuss about the chapter number 7, tertiary and quaternary activities. Students, it is the last chapter of your syllabus of a half-yearly examination, for half-yearly examination. Okay, बेटा टर्सरी एक्टिविटीज़ क्या होती है बेटा? टर्सरी एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं रिलेटेड टू द सर्विस सेक्टर्स. मैन पावर इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट of the service sector, as most of the tertiary activities are performed by skilled labor, professionally trained experts and consultant. The tertiary activities or industry is the segment of the economy that provide services to its consumers. This includes a wide range of businesses such as financial institutions, school and restaurants. It is also known as the tertiary sectors or service industry sectors. Tertiary activities includes both production and exchange. The production involves the provisions of services that are consumed. The output is indirectly measured in terms of wages and salaries. Exchanges involve trade, transport, and communication facilities that are used in overcome distance. Okay, students? The tertiary activities includes both production and exchange. The tertiary activities therefore involve the commercial output of services rather than the production of tangible goods. They are not directly involved in the processing of a physical raw materials. Common example of a tertiary activities are work of a plumber, electricians, technicians, launderers, barber, shopkeeper, driver, cashier, teacher, doctor, lawyer, publisher, etc. The main differences between secondary activities and tertiary activities is that the expertise provided by services relies more heavily on specialized skills, experience, and knowledge of the worker rather than on a production of techniques, machinery, and factory processes. Okay? अब क्वेश्चन आता है बेटा, व्हाट काइंड्स ऑफ टर्सरी एक्टिविटीज आर दैट देयर आर. अब हम पढ़ेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ टर्सरी एक्टिविटी. ट्रेड, ट्रांसपोर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन एंड सर्विसेज आर सम ऑफ द टर्सरी एक्टिविटीज. ओके, तो पहला पढ़ते हैं बेटा, ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स. ट्रेड इज essentially buying or selling of items produced elsewhere. The town and cities where all these work take place are known as trading centers. Trading centers may be divided into rural and urban marketing centers. Number one, rural marketing centers. It caters to nearby settlements. These are quasi-urban centers. They serve as trading center of the most rudimentary types. These form local collecting and distributing centers. Most of these have mandis, जिसको कहते हैं आप wholesale market, and also retailing areas. These are significant centers for making available goods and services, which are most frequently demanded by rural folks. Periodic market क्या होता है बेटा? These type of market are found in rural areas, are found where there are no regular market, and local periodic market are organized at different temporal intervals. They may be weekly, bi-weekly. ओके, अब आती बात पीरियडिक मार्केट होता है तो बाई वीकली होते हैं. मार्केट फ्रॉम where people from the surrounding areas meet their temporarily accumulated demand. These markets are held on specific dates and move from one place to another. Next आता है बेटा आप अर्बन मार्केटिंग सेंटर्स. This type of centers have more widely specialized urban centers. They provided ordinary goods and services as well as many of the specialized goods and services required by the people. Urban centers therefore offer manufactured goods as well as many specialized markets. Develop, for example, market for labor, housing, semi and finished product. Services of educational institutions and professionals such as teachers, lawyers, consultant, physicians, dentists and veterinary doctors are available. अब आती बात रिटेलिंग मार्केट ट्रेडिंग की. This is the business activity concerned with the sale of goods directly to the consumers. Most of the retail trading takes place in fixed establishment or stores solely devoted to selling street padding, handicrafts, truck door to door, mail order, telephone, automatic vending machines, and internets are examples of non-store retail trading. Wholesale trading क्या होती है? Wholesale trading constitutes bulk business through numerous intermediary merchants and supply houses and not through retail stores. Most retail stores procure supply from an intermediary sources. Transport क्या होता है? Transport is a service or facility by which people, material and manufactured goods are physically carried from one location to another. It is an organized industry created to satisfy man's basic and need for mobility. Transport क्या होता है? Transport is a service of facilities by which people, material and manufactured goods are physically carried from one location to another. It is an organized industry created to satisfy man's basic need of mobility. Modern societies require speedy or efficient transport system to assist in the production, distribution and consumption of goods. At every stage in the complex system, the value of the material is significantly enhanced by transportation. Transport distance can be measured as kilometer distance, actual distance of route length, time distance or time taken to travel on a particular route, and cost distance or the expense of traveling on a route. In selecting the mode of transport, distance term of time or cost, it is the determining factor. So it is all about today's topic. We will meet you in next another video and we will learn about factors affecting of transport. Till then, bye bye students. Bye bye.